Hi everyone, Tom Larson here with Tech Training for Teachers. Today I'm excited to announce a new feature that just hit Google Classroom. You'll notice we now have the ability to add images directly to our Classroom stream. This is going to allow you to draw emphasis to certain content and give students that visual cue that will help them along. Let's show you how this works. In Google Classroom, click Announce Something to Your Class. Enter your announcement and then upload the image. We'll choose Upload File, and then I'll drag the animated GIF that I just created. That's right, you can now use animated GIFs on your Classroom stream. Once you've attached the image, click Post, and there it is. This is going to be a great way for you to draw attention to specific content on your stream and give students that visual to help them focus on what's important. Hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, tom@techtrainingforteachers.com. And if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know the moment new content is posted.